Okay, as we get closer to, this is August, people, and soon it'll be September, and then October, November, December. We're going to start thinking a little on the line now of Christmas. And I think Christmas time is probably one of the most busiest times for wood carvers because hand-carved ornaments are just something that people just love to have. And so what we're going to do is, this is a pattern from a Christmas ornament, a little Santa Claus. And this is originally supposed to be just like 3/8 thick, and maybe we'll even do that, but I'll show you how to do that. But what I did is I'm going to make a little figure out of that. See this? A little Santa Claus figure out of it. And this is 1 3/8 thick rather than 3/8 thick. And this is actually done in the relief type carving where it's only about 1/2 a 3/8 thick, and you only do one side, carve one side. But I thought that we would take this little ornament and we'd make a full figure out of it, a full three-dimensional figure out of it. And that's what we're going to do today. And he'll be a little Santa Claus. And this would be a wonderful little gift for anyone for Christmas, a little table topping or whatever. But we're going to do an actual little figure out of it, and then I'll show you later how these ornaments are made. You make little snowmen, things like that, where you just do one side. And as you can see, you trace it out on one side, and then you just start cutting. But we'll do that. We'll do that for you. But for today, we're going to make a full figure. Now, this pattern came from actually this was in Wood Carving Illustrated in one of their magazines. And I will have to get the number of it for you, which magazine it was in. And this is where the pattern came from. Now, like I said, it was originally supposed to be just a Christmas ornament, but I'm going to make it into a little figure. And here's the figure. It's 1 3/8 thick, and this is the way he's supposed to look. And we're going to carve that little figure today. And because, like I said, we need to start thinking about Christmas is just around the corner, folks. It really is. I mean, believe it or not, I apologize that I haven't put anything else lately, but as you know, we were down where I live. We were struck by in Waterville, I believe that's the way they pronounce it, the tropical storm that just came through in Texas, and we had a pretty rough time with it. But everyone's all right. Everyone's fine. Okay. Now, we all have colds from it. I mean, everything that's going on. Okay. Now, what we've done is we have traced the pattern out on the wood itself. The wood is 1 3/8 thick, and we're going to do a three-dimensional figure on this fella here. Okay? So, what we want to do first is we want to start dividing just like we would divide. I'm going to start dividing this beard from, see, just like that. See that? Now, when you do just the little relief carving, this is what you're doing basically. But like I said, we're going to do a full-fledged figure here. And then I'm going to go around the lines here and come up here and start separating these parts from them one another, just like that. Okay? And we have the shoes, just like this. See how we're separating those? To give us a general idea of where everything is supposed to be. Now I'm going to separate the hat from the nose right here. See that? See what I'm doing there? and come down here and separate the hat. See, just like that. Now, what you do is you look across your piece there. As you start separating these, then it will give you a general idea of where the rest, for instance, back here. Now, we know that the little ball on the hat back here is going to be smaller than this. So we can go ahead and start cutting that down, just like this. Now you do it from both sides. You see? You do it from both sides, just like this. Then you come over here and you do the same. Because you know that the little ball on the back of the head is going to be center point, just like this. Start removing that wood in there. There we go. Because that's going to be like a little ball back there. That's going to be the little ball on the kind of like that. So we're simply removing that down right there.